And a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. The Indian government, which has historically been opposed to crypto, is reviewing its regulatory policy in response to adoption by other nation states. According to Reuters, India's Economic Affairs Secretary Ajay Seth said that digital assets don't believe in borders, signaling that India does not want to get left behind in the digital asset revolution. The government's changing stance reflects the high-level game theory posited by pro-crypto analysts and Bitcoin maximalists that nation-state adoption by one or two countries would trigger a race among global powers to accumulate digital currencies. El Salvador purchased 2 additional Bitcoin on Feb 1st. The country typically acquires 1 Bitcoin per day as part of its Bitcoin Strategic Reserve initiative, but has been purchasing BTC at an accelerated pace. According to the government's Bitcoin tracker, El Salvador currently has a total of 6,055 BTC valued at over $612 million and purchased over 50 BTC in the last 30 days alone. The country recently rescinded its legal tender law requiring businesses to accept BTC as payment to secure a loan from the International Monetary Fund. Utah could be the first U.S. state to establish a Bitcoin reserve due to a shorter legislative window calendar and political momentum. There's a very good shot that Utah will be the first because they only have 45 days to decide, Satoshi Action Fund CEO Dennis Porter said in a recent interview with U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis, which he shared on X on Feb 2nd. One of Utah's House committees on Jan 28 voted 8-1 in favor of a bill that would allow the state to invest a portion of public funds into Bitcoin, other currencies with a market cap above $500 billion and approved stablecoins. The Securities and Exchange Commission of Thailand is planning to launch a distributed ledger technology-based trading platform for securities firms to trade digital tokens. The Deputy Secretary General of the Thai SEC said the token investments were gaining traction and the regulator will allow securities companies to trade digital tokens to capitalize on their large investor bases, the Bangkok Post reported on Feb 3rd. The planned system features full digitalization of bond trading for both primary and secondary markets, coverage of settlement, trading, investor registration, payment processes, and multiple chain support with interoperability standards, though it did not specify which chains. South Korea's Bitcoin kimchi premium reached a 10-month high, peaking at 9.7% early on Monday amid a broader global crypto sell-off. The kimchi premium refers to the price difference between Bitcoin on South Korean exchanges and elsewhere, often driven by local market conditions and regulatory restrictions. This premium spiked following the announcement of new tariffs by US President Trump, which triggered fears of a prolonged trade war and its impact on inflation. The premium has since decreased to 8.24%. Analysts suggest the premium could remain elevated if US selling pressure continues, but historically it averages around 5%. South Korea, with one of the world's most active crypto markets, saw its Upbit exchange process over $187 billion in transactions in January. Bitcoin's price continued its decline on Monday, dropping to a 3-week low of around $91,000 after starting at over $106,000 just days earlier. The slump followed US President Trump's imposition of tariffs, triggering a market-wide sell-off. While Bitcoin bounced back to around $95,000, its market cap fell below $1.9 trillion, though its dominance over altcoins increased to nearly 59%. Altcoins were hit harder, with Ethereum dropping from over $3,000 to under $2,300 and other cryptocurrencies like BNB, XRP and ADA experiencing double-digit losses. Overall, the crypto market saw a $400 billion loss, bringing the total market cap to just above $3.2 trillion. Coinbase has become the largest crypto exchange to operate in the UK after securing a spot on the Financial Conduct Authority's register, allowing it to offer both crypto and cash services for the first time in the country. This approval follows 6 months of preparation, with only 14% of applicants succeeding in gaining FCA registration. Coinbase's UK subsidiary CB Payments Limited previously offered e-money services, but now it can also provide crypto services. This registration allows Coinbase to directly communicate with the FCA about future plans, including staking and stablecoins under the UK's new crypto regulations. Monochrome Group, an Australian crypto asset firm, has registered its Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs with Singapore's Monetary Authority, marking its expansion into Southeast Asia. These ETFs are designed for institutional and accredited investors with a minimum transaction requirement of $200,000. Monochrome aims to build infrastructure for institutional access to Bitcoin, focusing on long-term stability rather than short-term price movements. The firm has partnered with Anadera Capital and Bitco Trust Company to enhance its offerings and security. This move comes amid growing institutional demand for regulated crypto products, especially in the face of global economic uncertainties. From mid-December 2024 to the end of January 2025, the NFT market saw expensive trades, with CryptoPunk #6472 becoming the highest traded NFT at $740,180. However, overall market activity slowed, with a 40.8% decline in NFT sales over the past 30 days and a drop in buyers by 6.88%. Despite this, the number of NFT sellers rose by 10.75% and total sales volume reached $124.4 million, down 32.45%. Experts anticipate that the NFT market may follow the trend of the broader crypto market and potentially see growth. Russia's Ministry of Energy has announced plans to create a mandatory registry for crypto mining equipment, aiming to regulate and identify mining activities more effectively, especially in regions where mining is banned. Without registration, crypto mining would be impossible. This move is part of amendments to existing regulations following a crypto mining ban in certain regions due to power shortages. Additionally, the Russian Federal Taxation Service has introduced a new feature allowing crypto miners to report their earnings online, with tax rates set at 13% for earnings up to 2.4 million rubles and 15% for higher earnings. Miners must also report monthly, with the deadline by the 20th of the following month. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is Murchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3 or scan the QR code.